So I'm Chris Black, I'm the Managing Director of Sound Leisure based in Leeds. So Sound Leisure are a manufacturing company based in Leeds, renowned throughout the world for our range of classic jukeboxes. So we manufacture everything here on site. As well as that, we operate jukeboxes around pubs and clubs throughout the UK. We have a children's play division that supplies children's entertainment areas and distraction areas. We've got quite a broad base for the business, but really it's the manufacturing of the classic jukeboxes that we're known for. I think the best thing for us about working in STEM is that we've got so many different divisions within the business, and especially with manufacturing, there's just so much to do. You're not just coming into the office every day or into the factory every day and doing the same thing over and over again. There's always a problem to solve. There's always some development to work on. It's exciting, and at the end of the day, you get to see a finished product. So my job as Managing Director is trying to work with the team to look to the future, what's next. We're a small SME. We have about 70 people working here, so it can be anything throughout the day. It can be working with the design teams, it can be working with the sales teams, the accounts. I mean, there's so much going on in a manufacturing business. It's not just about manufacturing. So on site, we have woodworkers, metal workers, plastic vac formers, we've got design, we've got creative people, we've got electronics engineers, mechanical engineers, but we've also got accountants, salespeople, operating business, we've got the engineers in there. Every day, as I've said previously, is different. We're not coming in and doing the same thing every day, but the whole part of my job is to make sure Sound Leisure survives, thrives, exports to further countries. Sound Leisure have worked with UTC Leeds since the inception. So we have open days here. Students come to the factory to see what manufacturing's about now. We attend open days, so we're talking to parents as well as prospective students. We send projects down to the college as well. So if we're working on anything on the jukeboxes, for instance, and we think, well, that could be interesting, rather than us developing it, we'll send it down to them so they can actually see the components that we're trying to develop. And then we can actually take parts of the machine down and say, oh, this is the bit you've built and this is what it does. It makes it more real for the students, but it's also fantastic for us because you've got lots of young people down there with new ideas, and sometimes they're coming up and saying, well, why don't you do it like this? I think it's important for students to work with employers such as our business because they're getting an understanding before they leave college as to what we expect and also what the daily routine of a business is. It's also good for us to work with students to understand what their feelings are about working in the environment we have. So it's a two-way path really. We can understand more about what we need to do to entice students to come and work with us. It's teamwork, it's that handshake again. So if we know what they want and they know what we want, it's a winning combination.